Hello everyone, myself Dr. Mohammad Noor Alam Khan. I am a consultant pediatrician in a private hospital. I have done my DCH and DNB, and in my practice I got to know different type of lesion and different type of echocardiographical diseases, cardiac diseases. But when I was suspecting, I have no choice other than referring the patient to the cardiologist. Then I got to know from my friend Dr. Sanjay that there is this type of course, echo course, which is conducted by Dr. Kohli, and I decided, and Dr. Sanjay also decided to join. Dr. Sanjay and me both joined together, and we have done go through level 1 lectures online, and after that we come here for level 1. एंड लेवल 1 करके ऐसा लगा जैसे मतलब दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर एवरी pediatrician. Every pediatrician should know basic echocardiography, as we have to manage shock, we have to manage neonates who are in ICU and they are very sick. We cannot send patient outside our center to diagnose for the echo. So if any echo machine available in our center, we have to do it by ourselves. At least we should know whether it is normal, abnormal. If we are going to manage shock, we know whether it is hypovolemic shock, cardiac shock, or distributed shock or septic shock. We have to differentiate it, and that's why we need echocardiography, and it is very important for general pediatrician, for every clinician. So after level 1, I can differentiate different type of lesions, and I was able to locate, to find out different type of views of echocardiography. And for when I reached my center, I think it is not sufficient for me for management of patient. Then when I go back to our center, I thought this is not sufficient and I have to go further in echocardiography learning. Then I again joined level 2 lectures, and after level 2 I have come today for level 2 hands-on. And level 2 lectures and the materials are provided are very in a simple language and very easy to understandable, and everything was crystal clear even on lecture also. And when we came here for hands-on, everything was familiar, and when we came here, everything was very good, very fantastic. I know that what is the echo probe and what is the different type of echo probe, what are the keys on the echo machine, and I also knew that this different type of views. So in level 2 it was very fantastic, and it was very amazing experience. And now I can able to diagnose simple lesions, simple and common lesion like VSD, HD, like TOP, like PDA. I can also measure different parameters of the echocardiography. So it helps me to build up my confidence in my clinical practice. I can diagnose and I can explain to my patient that what the lesion is this and which type of lesion is this, what are the complications, and what will be proper or probable management for this lesion. And working with and learning from the sir was also very good experience. Sir is a very humble person, very polite person, and very entertaining also. And here the staff and the supportive staff and technical team also very cooperative. And here 3 days are very amazing. And now my level 2 hands-on completed, and I wish, or I will join also level 3. After that I will complete my echocardiography course. And you should also come here, and you should also join an echocardiography course. Thank you.